Alright guys, we're back here at day 5 with the F-150. What we're going to start doing today is we're going to start taping and papering up, which is the front windshield. We're going to do the side mirrors, all the windows, the back window, the steps, anything that we're not going to Raptor. We're going to start taping up and papering up and then get ready to shoot the Raptor on it. Alright guys? Alright guys, so this is our favorite part of the process, which is to get to shoot the Raptor already. So let's just get to it.
Alright guys, so we were going through our email and we just got an email by the name of Pastor Gaspar. He's from Connecticut, and he asked us how to clean a Raptor gun. And the way to clean a Raptor gun, guys, is every time you use a bottle Raptor, you're supposed to clean it right away, because if you use it on all the 4 passes, the gun is gonna be trashed by the first pass. So the way to clean it, guys, is grab a bottle Raptor, pour halfway of paint thinner, and just grab an empty can of paint or a container where you can store the what's left of it. So here you go, guys. Oh, but before you do that, put a rag so it won't go anywhere, and just spray. Alright, just clean it, it's left over. And there you go, guys. A clean Raptor gun.
So then basically what you have to do, if you spray 1 bottle of Raptor, you clean the gun with half a bottle of acetone, wipe it down with the rag, shoot another bottle,
And
repeat, and it looks like in that gun you have different colors. Let's check it out. So those are the cards that you've done.
Yeah.
You have some reds, you have some blue, you have some grays, black. All right, so how long have you had this gun?
We've had it since the day we started, guys, and to this day it still works. So just remember, clean your guns after every use and you'll be good. So
all right.
alright, guys, that's the first pass. We're gonna let it sit there and dry for about 20 minutes. While it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the gun. So just wait. Alright, guys, so we let it sit there for about 20 minutes, and it's pretty dry already. And we also added the fender flare so we could match the texture while we were spraying. But we also noticed that we left a dent right here, as you can see. And guys, we can't leave it like that. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna sand it. We're gonna add some body filler to fix it up, and it's not gonna be there. It's gonna be new. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so I sanded where it was supposed to be the dent, and as you can see, it's like the size of a nickel, but still, guys, we can't leave it there. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add the very little body filler and re-sand it and spray it again. So alright, guys, so that's pretty much good for body filler, and now we have to wait until it dries so we can re-sand it, and it's just gonna look brand new. So just wait.
Okay, Captain Safety, the fucking mask.
Oh, damn it. Sorry, guys.
Is it fixed?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we let it sit there for about 20 minutes, and the Raptor is pretty dry already. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give it the second coat, and I'm gonna start right here and work my way all the way around the vehicle to end over here. So let's just give it the last one. Alright guys, so that's the second pass. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna let it sit there for about 20 minutes, let it dry. As soon as it's all dry, we're gonna start taking off all the paper and just reassemble it again. So let's just wait, guys. Alright guys, so we let it sit there for about 45 minutes. The Raptor looks really dry, looks badass. So what I'm gonna do right now is take off all the paper, and for tomorrow, which is the final day, we're gonna reassemble it, take it to wash, and just give you the final review. So thank you for staying tuned, and yeah, let's just get it.